At what age do you think your child should learn coding? And if your answer is around 6 or 7 years old, then this video is for you. First of all, what is coding? Coding, aka computer programming, is the process of designing and building an executable computer program to accomplish a specific computing result or to perform a specific task. It all began in the month of July 2020 when the Government of India introduced the new education policy which made schools mandatory to include coding in their curriculum starting from 6th standard. But India was under a lockdown during this period. Due to this, many educational platforms emerged online like Coding Girl, Techie, Coding. You may not have heard about them, but you wouldn't have missed this one, that is White Hat Junior. From celebrities to cricketers, everyone began endorsing White Hat Junior and their programs. White Hat Junior is an online educational company which was started in the US and promises children to improve their coding skills and abilities. If we go in still depth, in 2020, White Hat Junior was acquired by Byju's, which is perhaps the world's biggest edutech company, and an acquisition of $300 million was made. Problem was White Hat Junior's marketing ads program, and one of the most controversial ad was Wolf Gupta, who is a 9-year-old and has secured a job of worth 150 crores at Google, and the same Wolf Gupta, who is a 12-year-old and a 13-year-old, earned crores through coding. But in reality, Wolf Gupta was non-existent.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
The thing here is, I am not against coding or computer programming. In the past, I have done some frameworks regarding HTML, QBasic, which are computer-based languages, and there are even benefits of coding, like they develop problem-solving skills, encourage curiosity, expand creativity, and also improve computer literacy. But using it as a tactic to manipulate parents by sending out a message that make children learn coding or they will fall behind in the name of money, fame, and recognition, well, that is wrong. The Advertising Standards Council of India received complaints against 7 ads and found out that 5 of these ads are misleading, and this forced White Hat Junior to take them down. Following this, stories of people like Pradeep Punia came into spotlight, who spoke against these tactics, and many people started to join this movement, and White Hat Junior became the most criticized company on the internet. Even after this, many parents are falling into their traps by investing a huge part of their fortune, and you'll be shocked to know the most expensive package of White Hat Junior is Rs 99,000 for 144 classes, and they say that your child will be an expert in user interface, space tech simulation, and even professional game design. They say that after 8 classes, your child will become a game developer, and by 50 classes, your child can start a company. Now the question comes, what's the point of spending 5 years at a university learning computer programming? The thing here I want to point out is, parents who are well known of these tactics won't fall into such traps. But what about the parents from rural areas who are not educated enough to know how these companies use education as a tool not to empower children, rather than to generate revenue for their self-benefit? If you want your child to learn coding, there are even free coding platforms such as Scratch Junior and Scratch, Crunzilla, Coder Kids, Code Academy, Lightbot, and many more. My final conclusion is that we are witnessing and living in an age of rapid transformations. So what's relevant today may not be tomorrow. That's a possibility. So let children enjoy their childhood rather than making them clones of a robot.